Magandang buhay po sa inyong lahat. Again, I'm Miss Sai Caranza, one of the licensed real estate broker ng ating mga Cavite projects. And right now, andito po ako ngayon sa Anyana Bel Air, located along Highway of Tansa Cavite, which is Antero Soriano Highway. Si Antero Soriano Highway, ito po yung main highway ng Tansa Cavite, which is connecting ng Centennial Road, connecting sa Cavitex, and connecting to Coastal Road, and connecting to EDSA and Manila. By the way po, if you are new to my channel, please do me a big favor. Please subscribe and hit the bell button found at the lower right of this video screen if you think po na nakakatulong po ako sa inyo upang magkaroon ng mas more option upang makamit ang inyong pangarap na bahay dito sa Pilipinas. Please do that po. So ayun, yung unit na pinapakita ko po sa inyo ngayon ay yung aming pinakamabentang single attached dito na si Tokyo Single Attached. This is a complete turnover po. So furnitures na lang ang ilalagay ninyo. Meron itong tiles. As incomplete na, may mga partitions, may mga ceiling na. It has a 4 bedrooms, may 2 toilet and bath, living area, dining area, kitchen area, with provision for your dirty kitchen and laundry area. And also, meron din po itong provision for your 2-car garage. It has a 107.35 square meter floor area and a 100 square meter lot area. So, ayun po, habang iikot ko po kayo dito sa loob ng sample na actual na turnover namin ni Tokyo Single Attached, bigyan ko na kayo ng information about who is Anyana Bel Air subdivision. Ayun, so si Anyana po is a mixed-use subdivision. Ito po ay residential and commercial and with commercial space na located in the heart of Tansa, Cavite. Yung subdivision po ay 5 minutes drive lang from the new SM Tansa and Pure Gold, and about 40 minutes and 1 hour drive from the PITX Terminal, SM Mall of Asia, and NAIA Airport. Anyana Bel Air is a 100 hectares of a prime land. This is a luxury village that is inspired by the Los Angeles Bel Air Community Development in the state of California. So, ayun po, although this is considered as a luxury subdivision, Anyana Bel Air is still 30% lower price for the residential and 40% lower for commercial lots. In comparison po ito sa other upscale subdivision na katabi natin. By the way po, katabi natin dito si Maple Grove by the Mega World and Evo City ni Ayala Land. So, imagine, because yun nga, katabi natin sila, mas ma-encourage kayo or mas malalaman ninyo na talagang maganda ang progress dito sa amin sa Tansa Cavite kasi because of those big developers na katabi natin. Itong si Anyana Bel Air, aside from its impressive township, convenience, kasi sa loob ng subdivision, magkakaroon din po tayo dito ng malls. Even sobrang lapit na natin sa SM Tansa at Pure Gold, magkakaroon po tayo dito ng resort-inspired amenities and community features that will create a tropical environment with a touch of class. So the breeze at this modern community is also cooler than the other vertical communities such as the condo, because of the presence of lots of green and trees inside the development of the subdivision. So, ayun, malamig pa rin po dito and maganda yung magiging development plan. Yung amenities ni Anyana includes the cabanas, children's playground, swimming pool, beach pool, play pool, leisure pools, lounge pool, lap pool, cascading edge, submerged deck, function rooms, alfresco dining, coffee shop with play area, billiard table, and dart games. Also, may gym din po tayo sa loob ng subdivision, or they called this as fitness center na with complete set of workout equipments. And also may landscape gardens tayo dito, pocket park, basketball, and tennis court. The township or the has a retail event place, open plaza, its own church, and also may supermarket tayo dito, Grand Plaza, and 24/7 security with perimeter walls with CCTV. So, ayun po, I hope na medyo okay naman yung yung pagkaka-discuss kasi baka masyadong mabilis yung presentation ko. So, what can I say is just wow. Sobrang wow, ang ganda ng subdivision. Sure to be a worthy subdivision in investing your hard-earned money. So, if you are looking po talaga ng luxury but yet affordable pa din, Anyana na talaga yon. Ayun po, by the way po, yung complete details and the computation ng Tokyo Single Attached, ilalagay ko po yan sa description ng video na ito. Paki-check na lang po. Then, if you want to do an exclusive pre-site presentation, our number is already posted po sa video na to. By the way po, I have 3 best agent na pwede nyo pang makontakt aside from me. By the way, again, I'm Miss Sai. Ako po yung head broker. And I have 3 best agent, which is si Miss Stephanie Francisco, si Sir J. Margalio, si Sir J. M. Vargas. Ayun, so, ayun po, prinesent ko talaga, binigyan ko na kayong information about the Anyana because you can see madali na pong makita ninyo yung parts ng bahay eh. What I really wanted you to know or what I really wanted to present is kung sino ba si Anyana, kasi si Anyana po talaga is napakagandang subdivision. So pwede natin siyang kahilera siya ni na Maple Grove and Ibo City. So but ito po yung version na mas affordable versus dun sa mga nabanggit kong subdivision. So, ayun po. So, ikot ka na kayo dito sa loob ng bahay. So, again, Tokyo Single Attached is a complete turnover. So, lahat po nung makikita ninyo dito sa bahay na to, ito na rin po yung exact na ma-receive ninyo pagka na-turnover na sa inyong unit. Complete na po ito. Meron na siyang mga granite tiles. Then, wood planks po sa stairs. Ayun. So, this is a 4-bedroom single attached with 1 toilet and bath dito sa baba. So, same po yung texture. Complete na rin po yan. 4 bedrooms, may isang bedroom sa baba. Then, 3 po sa taas and 1 toilet and bath sa taas. So, the kitchen, ang dali niyang ayusan kasi pagpasok nyo, alam niyo na kagad na yung sa may front, that will serve as your living area. And yung half po niyan will serve as your dining and your kitchen area. By the way po, kung nakita niyo po na malaki po yung lote sa gilid ng house po, so that could serve as also as your extension for the dirty kitchen and for the laundry area. So hindi po masikip yung lot para mawalan ng garage. So, kahit yung half po nun, i-extending nyo for the dirty kitchen and laundry area, meron pa rin room for the garage. Ayun, so let's go up po. Ayan po, nakikita yung stairs natin. So, yung stairs po is wood planks. Ito po sa second floor, tiles naman po yung ating turnover sa second floor. Ayun, so I will just give you a better view kung ano yung itsura niya or the design pag nasa taas po tayo. So, everything po, yung windows is also sliding window na po yun, analog na rin po siya. And also the hallway, if you would see, spacious po siya, so hindi siya masikip. Then, ito po yung second bedroom sa second floor. So, enough space with an ample number of windows. So, it would give you a natural light and natural ventilation. So, ayan po. Pakita ko na rin po sa inyo lahat. At least nakita nyo po na talagang yung pagkakagawa din ng Tokyo model namin is really, maganda and sturdy po. Makikita nyo naman yung pagkakagawa. Ayun, so puntahan naman po natin yung the master's bedroom. Sa master's bedroom po, nandoon po yung second toilet and bath natin. So, no need na lumabas pa yung mga nasa master's bedroom para lang mag-toilet. So, ample din po yung ating window. We have 3 windows po dito sa master's bedroom for the natural light and for the good ventilation po. So, ayan. Then, ayun po. By the way po, itong subdivision po namin is meron po itong finished project na which is the Antel Grand. If you would search din po sa Google or sa aming mga Facebook, makikita nyo po na yung isang subdivision po namin which is the Antel Grand, which is located po yun sa General Trias, Cavite. Katabi lang halos din ito. Is one of the successful subdivision na same po ng presentation na mangyayari sa Anyana. Meron din po dong resort-inspired na amenities po. So, malamang ganun din po yung mangyayari dito or much better pa po. Ayun, so let's go naman po sa pang fourth room. Sa fourth room po, by the way po, in every rooms, there is already a provision for your AC and there is 3 sockets po for your for the electric sockets and para sa mga cables for the phone and the cable and the internet or cable wirings po. Ayun, so next po dito, I will show you then yung aming model houses for you to have a better idea kung paano natin mas pagagandahin yung unit once na turnover na po sa inyo. Ayun po, so actually po this is a voice overly. So If you are new to my channel po, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button found at the lower right of this video screen. Ngayon po, so next po pupuntahan na po namin yung model house. So ayun po, hanggang dito na lang po muna siguro yung aking voice over. If you have more questions or clarification in regarding to the unit, and if you want us to present to you personally, just call us. We are available in Philippine number, Viber, WhatsApp, Telegram, IMO, Line, and Skype. Ayun po. So, lahat po ng access, whether, kasi po there are countries ng ating mga OFW na may specific lang na parang app for the for the free call and text po. Ayun, thank you so much for watching po. Pupuntahan na po namin yung model house. Thank you so much for watching po, and please subscribe to our channel po. God bless po sa ating lahat, and ayun po. Thank you po. Bye-bye po.